So now I'd like to talk about complementary color schemes. Complementary color scheme is a color scheme that utilizes two colors that are located opposite one another on the color wheel, plus tints, shades, and tones of those colors, if you like. You don't have to use tints, you don't have to use shades, you don't have to use tones. But if you don't, then you're left with just a single color without any variety. So here is our standard color wheel. When we looked at Van Gogh's painting, The Starry Night, which you can see in person at the Museum of Modern Art in New York City, and I highly recommend that you do so. Always try and see artwork in person. It's so much different from experiencing it on a photograph or on a computer screen. When you take a look at the color wheel, you can see that he utilized two colors that were located opposite one another. He used blue and he used orange. He could have just as easily used red and green, which are also opposite on the color wheel, or yellow, green, and red, violet, which are also complementary colors. So any painting that utilizes complementary colors would be using a complementary color scheme. So here we see that in this area, Van Gogh mixed orange with white to create a tint. Over here we can easily see that he mixed blue with black to create a shade. And if we take a look over here and over in this area, we can see that he mixed black and white to create tones. If you're not sure about what tint, shade, and tone means, please refer back to my video on monochromatic color schemes. Now, if you take a look closely, you may see that Van Gogh used some other colors here and there. That's because artists can break the rules as long as they understand the rules. Go ahead and practice using one of the standard color schemes, like complementary.